you guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing part 3 of Sun Salutations and downward facing dog. So we're going to go ahead and get back into downward facing dog. Now, if you missed the other 2 videos, I will put those in the link in the description down below. If you want to see more of Miami Beach, because that's where we're at right now, I will put some links of the shorts down in the description below. All right, thank you. Let's get into the video. All right, so we finished off with downward facing dog. So we're gonna get down, crawl, lift your bum up, be in a V shape, and hold. Have your bum up in the air, enjoy the sand in your fingers. All right, so next, hold. Next, we're gonna get into plank pose. So move your body. Have shoulders length width apart. Hold. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now move back, bend your knees. Now slowly come up. We're gonna get into halfway lift. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now slowly come up. And then we're going to end with what we started at the pose of the month, which is mountain pose. So you're going to hold. Breathe in and out. Now if you want to, put your hands up in the air. This is extended mountain pose. Put them together, close your eyes, smile. Enjoy the sun on your face. And we're going to say Namaste. Namaste. I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my shorts on Miami Beach as well, and all the fun things we did here. Bye for now.